Today we're making chicken in coconut milk or chicken rundown. For the ingredients, we're gonna need 1 small carrot sliced diagonally, 1 small bell pepper diced, some fresh thyme leaves. Also, we're gonna need some chili peppers and grated ginger root, some sliced scallion tops, sliced scallion bottom, 5 chicken bouillon cubes, 1 3/4 cups of coconut milk, 1 3/4 pounds of chicken breast diced into large chunks, and finally 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Season the chicken with the chicken bouillon cubes and set aside until ready to use. Heat the oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Brown the chicken pieces for about 5 minutes. Place the chicken pieces on one side of the pan, then toss in the scallion bottom slices. Now toss in the chilies. Add the ginger and the thyme and mix everything together. Pour in the coconut milk, cover, bring to boil, and lower to simmer for about 10 minutes. Add in the remaining vegetables and cook for another 10 minutes or until the liquid reduces by half. Serve with white rice or roast breadfruit. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more simple recipes.